Hello, my name is Nicole Kirk, and I am a first-year audiology student at James Madison University. Today, we will be going over assistive listening devices for your hearing aids. Let's begin.
The hearing aid accessories shown here will be of most use to patients with normal or mild sloping to moderately severe age-related hearing loss in both ears. There are many benefits that come with using hearing aid accessories. Some of these, such as clearer speech and louder speech, are able to amplify what is already being done by your hearing aid. These assistive listening devices also help reduce noise, increase your enjoyment of your hearing aids, and give you greater control of your hearing aids in different situations. In this presentation, we will be reviewing some of the most common hearing aid accessories made by the hearing aid companies Resound and Oticon. These are two of the main hearing aid manufacturers we use at the JMU Audiology Clinic. However, there are other hearing aid manufacturers that also make hearing aid accessories. It is important for you as a client to pick whichever device is most useful for your lifestyle and needs. First, we will cover hearing aid accessories made by Resound, some of which are pictured above. Here we have two of Resound's microphones. The first one, the Resound Micromic, is best used for amplifying the speech of one person directly to your hearing aids. For example, if you had a doctor's visit or you were trying to pay attention to a presentation where there was one speaker amongst other talkers and background noise, you would give this device to that individual, they would pin it to their clothing, and then you would get that direct audio stream to your hearing aids. It's very useful for situations like this, such as if you're in a church or a noisy restaurant and you want to hear that one person against all of that background noise. This device is very good for being small and streaming up to large distances, such as 80 feet away. The Resound Multi-Mic works in a similar manner, but instead of focusing on just one person, this device amplifies the speech of multiple talkers. How it works is you lay this device in the center of a table, and it is able to use its microphones to pick out all those voices you want to hear and stream them to your hearing aid. This device also works through loop and FM systems. Next, we have the Resound Phone Clip Plus and the Resound Remote Control. The Resound Phone Clip Plus is a good device for individuals who have difficulties hearing on the phone. How it works is that through Bluetooth, your phone call can be streamed through the Resound phone clip directly to your hearing aids. This direct stream helps to reduce background noise and improve clarity of the speaker so it becomes easier to listen on the phone. This device can also connect to two Bluetooth devices simultaneously, such as your phone or your Bluetooth-enabled computer. This means you can not only increase the clarity of calls, but you can also listen to music and receive directions at a clearer rate. The Resound Remote Control is a good device if you like to do stuff manually. How it works is it has a few big buttons, so you are able to manually change your preferred programs on your hearing aid or manually change the volume. The large buttons allow for greater dexterity, which is especially helpful for individuals with arthritis. The Resound Remote Control also pairs with the Resound TV Streamer. Here we have the Resound TV Streamer 2, one of Resound's TV streamers. What this device does is directly streams TV audio from your device to your hearing aids. This can be useful for people who have difficulties hearing the TV even if they increase the volume. One of the positives of this device is, along with increasing your understanding of the TV show and the volume you hear can be louder than what your family hears. If you're watching with other people, you can turn up the volume so it's louder within your hearing aids while the volume remains quieter for the rest of them. The Resound TV streamer can also stream from computers and be paired with the Resound phone clip. This device works from up to 23 feet away.
Here I will show pairing the Resound TV Streamer 2 to a pair of Resound hearing aids. The first step is to make sure your TV streamer is plugged into the wall and also has the cable connected to your channels. This means you will have a green power light and an orange light. Next, you will take your hearing aids and you will press the button to turn them off. If you have a battery, you can open the battery door to turn them off. You'll see the light flash and then turn off. From here, you turn around the device and there's a pair button on the back. You press that and then you have 20 seconds to pair it to your hearing aids, in which time you will need to turn your hearing aids back on or close the battery door, like so. You will see a green light appear on them again. And you will see this orange light start to blink, showing it is searching for the hearing aids. Once they are connected, you will hear a jingle in your hearing aids showing that it is fully connected to the TV streamer.
Now we will look at some hearing aid accessories made by the hearing aid company Oticon. The Oticon Connect Clip is essentially a combination of the Resound Micromic and Resound Phone Clip Plus in that this device has multiple functionalities for Oticon hearing aids. One of those functionalities is a wireless remote microphone. This means if you have one individual you are trying to listen to amongst a room full of background noises, you can hand the Connect Clip over to this person, they can attach it to their clothing, and then the sound of their voice will be directly streamed to your Oticon hearing aids. This will help to enhance their speech over that background noise and can be used in multiple places such as restaurants and family events. The Oticon Connect Clip also allows you to connect audio and audio from videos to stream directly to your hearing aid. This is useful for both phones and computers, whether you're having difficulties listening to auditory-only calls, or if you're having difficulties listening to audio from video on Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime. The Connect Clip is able to stream audio from all of these different ways. When the Connect Clip is not streaming audio, it also works as a remote control for your hearing aids, so you can raise the volume, change your settings, or even mute them.
Here we have the Oticon Connect Clip and a pair of Oticon hearing aids. As you can see here, there are 3 buttons along the side. This is the main button, and here we have 2 volume buttons, one with a plus and one with a minus. In this video, I will show you how to pair your hearing aids to the device and then how to use the device in its remote mic functionality. The first step for pairing the device is to have both the Connect Clip and the hearing aids off. To turn the Connect Clip off, you will go to this button here and you will press it for at least 3 seconds. The lights at the top should go off. For the hearing aids, you will press the buttons for at least 3 seconds again until the lights above it go off. If you have hearing aids that have a battery, you will open the battery door so that they will turn off. The next step involves turning them all back on. So you will take your hearing aids and press the button for a few seconds until a green light appears. You should hear a jingle with that, meaning that the hearing aids are turned on. Next, you will go to the Connect Clip and you will press the button on the side for at least 3 seconds until a green light appears. This first light means it's charging level, so it could be anywhere from green to good to red for needs charging. And then you will have this blinking yellow light over here. This means the Connect Clip is searching for the hearing aids. Once it has connected, it will turn to a solid yellow color. In this step, it is important for the hearing aids to be as close as possible to the connect clip, within 8 inches, so they can connect easily. So now you will see a solid yellow dot here, meaning that the connect clip has connected to your hearing aids. From here, to change it to the remote microphone functionality, you will go to the side button, the plus symbol, and you will hold it for 3 quick seconds. That should change the dot to a magenta color, meaning that the hearing aids are now ready for the remote microphone functionality.
Some other Oticon devices include the TV Adapter 3.0 and Remote Control 3.0. The TV Adapter 3.0 is a TV streamer that allows TV audio to be transmitted directly to your hearing aids. This device works from up to 45 feet away, meaning even from a distance you are still able to watch your programs. The shows can also be played at your preferred volume, while a lower volume is transmitted from the TV to the room so that anyone without your hearing aids will be able to enjoy the shows at a comfortable level. The Oticon Remote Control 3.0 is a remote control that is able to adjust your hearing aid depending on the environment you are in. As such, you are able to modify the volume with the buttons, change between programs such as a restaurant program and a typical listening program, and even mute your hearing aids. With these Oticon and Resound devices, it is important to remember that they are proprietary, meaning that one device is not interchangeable depending on your hearing aid manufacturer. This means if you have something such as a Resound multimic, it will not work with an Oticon hearing aid, and an Oticon Connect clip will only work with an Oticon hearing aid. When you receive one of these devices, they also come with a device manual that tells you how to take care of the device, charge it, use it, and how to stream to it, which is all very helpful in getting the maximum benefit from these devices to help you on your journey with hearing aids. Lastly, we have TV ears. These are a popular TV streamer made outside of the main hearing aid manufacturers. As such, it does not require hearing aids to use. Instead, you insert the wired headphones into your ear, and the device that hangs below your chin receives signals from the TV without use of Bluetooth. Some people prefer this TV streamer compared to the Oticon and Resound devices because of the physical volume and tone controls. It is a good option if you like a more hands-on device for a TV streamer. It is also able to control the volume you hear separately from the TV volume.
If you feel like you would benefit from additional information about these devices relative to your hearing loss, I encourage you to contact your audiologist. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.